It's recording started, and I'm just going to play it.
Of a three-phase transformer is to change the level of voltage. When it increases the voltage, the motto of doing so is to send power up to long distance with minimum loss of energy, that is, with maximum efficiency. In this video, we will understand the working and construction of a three-phase transformer. It works on a very simple principle of electromagnetic induction, that is, when an alternating voltage applied across the terminal of a coil, say primary coil, it makes an alternating current to flow through the coil. This alternating current sets up an alternating magnetic field across the coil. And when another coil, say secondary coil, come in the vicinity of this varying magnetic field, an EMF or we can say voltage get induced in the secondary coil. And when a load is connected across the terminal of secondary coil, as a result, an alternating current will flow and the electrical power get transferred to the load. This whole process is an example of electromagnetic induction, as there is no direct electrical contact between the coils. The power transferred between them through a magnetic coupling. This coupling can be further improved by using a core of ferromagnetic material, that is of iron. So we have a primary and secondary coil wound over a common magnetic circuit electrically insulated from metallic core and through each other through a layer of insulating material like varnish in case of small transformer, whereas in case of big transformer we use paper insulation. The total voltage we get across the terminal of secondary is the sum of voltage of individual turn as they all are in series. So, what would be the voltage of each turn of secondary? Obviously, it must be equal to the voltage of individual turn of primary because both are linking with a common magnetic flux. Now, the question is that what will be the voltage of each turn of primary? It must be equal to the voltage applied E1 divided by the total number of turn in the primary. Because the applied voltage must distribute itself equally across the each turn of primary. For example, suppose we have a 100 turn primary winding and the applied voltage is 100 volt. So each turn of primary will get 1 volt. Now suppose we have a secondary winding having only 10 turn. As 1 volt will induce across each turn of secondary, therefore the resultant output voltage will be equal to 10 volt. So it means the output voltage could be increased or decreased respectively by input or output exist in the system.
I think we
And
have discussed
hence
this one,
the
right? I'm just
law
going to
of
skip it right
energy,
now.
the things we have discussed so far is applicable to single phase
So already we
transformer.
have discussed this much,
Whereas
right? So
for
I'm
a
just going
three
to
phase
skip it.
system, the core of three single phase transformer is developed by doing some modification. Whereas for a three phase system, a three phase transformer is developed by doing some modification to the model of single phase transformer. The core of three phase transformer consists three limbs. In case of big transformer, paper insulation is used over the limb to electrically insulate the coils or winding from the core. In case of big transformer, the windings are in form of disc because it is easy to wound. First of all, low voltage winding is placed over it and over that high voltage winding is wound. The high voltage winding must be far from the core, that's why first low voltage winding is wound and then high voltage winding is wound over that. As for a constant power, low voltage winding carry high current, that's why it has thicker conductor, whereas in case of high voltage winding, the value of current is comparatively less, therefore the wire of three-phase winding is relatively thin in size. Now the three winding of low voltage side can be connected in star or in delta. And similarly, the high voltage winding can be connected in star or in delta configuration. So there are four combinations that are possible in a three-phase transformer, and these are star star, star delta, delta star, or delta delta. As shown here, the high voltage winding is connected in delta. How it is connected so? Here in these two coils, the upper ends of each coil is connected at common point and connected into bushing. The lower end of these two windings are connected at common point and brought out through this bushing. And at last, the lower end of first coil and the upper end of third coil are connected together and brought out through this bushing. In this way, the high voltage winding is connected in delta. In this example, we can see the low voltage winding is connected in star. How it can be done? Lower ends of the three winding are connected to common point to form a neutral and brought out through this bushing, and the remaining three ends are brought out through these bushings individually to form the line conductor. In this way, the coils are fixed inside the transformer. The bushing of low voltage side is of small size, whereas the bushing of high voltage side is of big size. So this is a type of star delta transformer, that is, it has star connection at low voltage side and delta connection at high voltage side. This way the core remain fixed inside the coil and it is held tightly through a holding frame which is bolted over it. To maintain the output voltage of the transformer, a tap changer is used, which is shown here. In most of the model, this tap changer is installed within the transformer.
So this type of tap changing transformer is used to change the number of turns which is associated to my primary secondary side as well as primary side. So you could able to change the number of turns, right, in our DC generator, DC motor. So we could able to change the number of poles, right? So it's now while manufacturing itself, it's now fixed, right? In transformer, we'll have one option, right? That's called on-load tap change trans, right? So that's called on-load tap changing. So while the transformer is supplying the electrical power to the external circuit, so we could able to change the number of turns in runtime, right? So by changing its position, right? So you could able to have a, it's like a different, it's like a same of my variable rheostat, right? In our part, right? So potentiometer இருக்குல்ல அதே மாதிரி தான் we are just having a tap changing transformer here. Just go able to rotate this one. So here there is a movable arrangement will be there. So it will be like a movable resistor that's called potentiometer. It will be like this, right? So you could able to change the number of turns in our transformer secondary side, right? So you could have, by changing number of turns, you could able to convert step up or step down. So you could have two options, right?
Transformer assembly inside the tank, and it is controlled through a motor which is installed inside the panel, and the panel is fixed outside the transformer. The connection we have seen so far is explained in simple way, but in actual the connection of high voltage winding also include tap changer, as we can see here. Now to understand how the connection through tap changer is made in detail, you can watch a dedicated video on that through this link. Finally, after connecting tap changer, this complete assembly is immersed in a transformer tank. The tank consists of radiator wing and oil is filled inside the transformer tank so that the complete assembly remain immersed in the oil. The transformer is completely remained filled with the mineral oil. The transformer unit also consists a conservator tank installed over the main tank. The main tank and the conservator tank both remain connected through a pipe and a Buchholz relay. And during working condition, there is a lot of heat generated in the windings of the transformer due to the copper loss and dielectric loss, and also due to hysteresis and eddy current loss that occur inside the metallic core. The generated heat is get transferred to the transformer oil and the oil get heated up. Due to the process of natural convection, the heat up oil rise up and get into the radiator wing through these vents at upper side, and the heat of the oil is transferred to the environment through the radiator wings, and the cooled down oil is again comes into the main tank through the pipes which are at lower side of the radiator wing. This process of natural convection continues itself naturally, but during the
I'm just going to close this video itself, right? So already everything is now explained. So why there is a oil is now poured inside the transformer in the sense, right? So it's like a temperature reduction purpose, right? So whenever the transformer is transferring the electrical power from one circuit to another circuit, right? So huge amount of electrical power is now transferred through like a core, right? So like a magnetism energy. So from one circuit to another circuit, that's a primary circuit to secondary circuit, the electrical energy is now converting through magnetism domain, right? So definitely huge power is running. So you could have the real feeling, right? So when you're having a ceiling fan or maybe a laptop or mobile phone or maybe a ceiling light bulb, right? So everything is now working under electrical principle, electrical power supply, right? So after much running of hours, right? So after 5 to 6 years of running hours, right? So when you're just going to switch it off, you can have physical touch, right? So you're just going to touch those electrical appliances, you will have a real feel, right? So that heat is now built it up, right? So that's what heat is now transferred, right? So the same electrical transformer also has a that thing, right? So huge temperature is going to be built up, right? So we need to uh, eliminate those heat, right? So otherwise, what will happen actually? So more heat will give you, right? So that the coil is made up of copper conductor, lamination, varnish, right? So everything is of metal, right? So now when there is a huge temperature rises, right? So the physical structure as well as conductivity property, electrical conductivity and physical stability and everything is now going to be its loose, right? So everything is now going to lose. Definitely, we need to be consider that temperature in account, right? So for that purpose, we are having a mineral oil, right? So mineral oil we're having right now. So it's now highly inflammable as well as, right? So in a class temperature, but it's, there is a fire, right? Fire action will be going to start, but it's a purely inflammable. In some worst case, it's getting burned, right? So very, very high temperature, it's going to burn, right? But in operating stage, right? So operating point, right? So there is no flammable, right? So it's now under inflammable case, it will be okay, right? So for eliminating that temperature, we'll have a coil that's called mineral oil, right? So over into that. So there is one more principle will be there. Buckles relay, everything will be in detail in electrical department. So உங்களுக்கு அந்த அளவுக்கு வேணா principles மட்டும் you could understood, right? So I'm just going to now switch to my board. So it's very easy, so not difficult up to this, right? So transformer basic principle தெரிஞ்சுனா 3-phase transformer easy தான். 3 single phase transformer I'm just going to make it as a 3 single phase transformer group ஒரே transformer மாத்தனா it's now called 3-phase transformer. Nothing difficult. Right, I'm just going to switch to my board. We'll have a classification. So we'll already crossed types of transformers, step up, step down. Once we just finished, we are just going to move into transformer connections, right? So in this animation video, he told that start star connection, star delta connection. It's very easy. 2 minutes explanation is needed, right? So more than 2 minutes. Right. So today itself, we are just going to finish transformer concepts. We'll have one more topic, third type of transformer that's called auto transformer. We are just going to go with the auto transformer as well as. So today itself, we are just going to have a plan. We need to finish our transformer concepts, right? So tomorrow class onwards, we are just going to move with the AC motors, right? So Tesla, we need to move with it. And then we are just going to move it today. I think my board is visible. I guess anyone just confirm me. I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. And I have drawn a sample, அங்கங்க ஒரு rectangle, square, block ஏதோ drop பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கு இல்லையா meanwhile அந்த video play வரப்ப I think we have started to learn like this, right? So this is diagram 1 actually. 1, 2, 3 and 4 diagram, right? So we'll have a small here. We have started to learn like this diagram, right? So this one, my first case, we have started to learn like this, right? So this is what my primary side and this is what my secondary side. This is what my steel core. So core is used to transfer the magnetism flux lines to one winding to another winding. And this is my copper conductors. And here I'm just going to pass input power supply and I'm just getting a output, right? So I'm just getting an output over here. And this is all my input power supply, single phase AC power supply I'm giving, right? So we are just giving a single phase power supply over here, single phase AC power, and we'll have output over here, and N1, N2, so I1, N1 number of turns, N2 current is now flowing C2, E1 input power supply, E2 output power supply. So these are the things we have discussed, right? So these are the things we already discussed. And then we'll have one more types of that's called classifications, right? So I already told that. So this is the classification of transformer, right? So why there is a two types of classifications, right? So we'll have a classifications. So based upon winding, how we are just winding that transformer. So how we are just going to placing winding on a steel core, right? So we are just going to place or wound a copper coil in a steel core. In which manner we are just going to place it. So based upon that manufacturing, we'll have two types of classifications, right? So one is now core type, one is a cell type, right? So we are just going to discuss two types of classifications, core type versus a cell type. So this is why my core type. So this is what my core type transformer. So this is why already we have discussed, right? So a number of times we have discussed. And cell type in the sense we are just going to wound a coil in between these limbs, right? So this is what my cell type. I'm just going to place here, Patina. This is what my primary coil, right? So this is what my primary, and this is what my secondary coil, right? So if in a winding panna, இதுக்கு பேர் core type transformer. That is called core type transformer. We'll already discuss and we have understood many things. We'll have one more types of placing a coil, right? So we'll have one more option. So we could able to place a copper coil. So here also we could also place a copper coil in this like manner. So we could able to. This is my primary winding, right? I'm just going to place a primary winding. Here I'm just going to place a primary winding over here. I'm just going to give a power supply to this single phase power supply. AC source I'm just going to give AC power 50 hertz. I'm just going to give it. Right, so where I could have placing my secondary coil, the same limb I'm just going to give a secondary coil. See, I'm just going to place secondary coil over here. That's load. So this is this type of arrangement, right? So arrangement of this type of transformer called cell type transformer. This is what my cell type. This is what my cell type transformer, right? So there is a two types of classification. One is core type, already we have discussed, right? So each limb, this is called leg actually, right? So in the square leg, this is one leg, this is one more leg, right? So one leg individual primary and another leg we have a secondary coil. But in the same leg primary coil irukku, secondary coil irukku. This is this type of transformer called winding called shell type, right? So this is called shell type. So both are example for single phase transformer. These both are transformer. Two types of classification: single phase core type, single phase cell type. In the same way, we are just going to discuss about three phase core type, three phase cell type. Draw panlama. It's very easy, right? So how we are just going to draw three phase, single phase. Anyone just try பண்றீங்களா? Anyone try பண்ணலாமே? Single phase, three phase. Anyway, time is running. So three phase in the sense, I'm just going to. I think my screen is visible, right? So one more winding and one more winding, right? And one more winding. I told that, right? So it's very easy. So this is a single phase transformer, right? So this is what my primary side. Let's see, this is what my primary side. This is what my secondary side, right? So I need to have one more setup like, right? So I need to have one more setup, right? So I need to have one more setup like this, right? So this is one more setup required. So this is what my primary side. Let's see. I'm just talking about now three phase transformer. Let's say I'm just going to have screen. I just have a video, right? So now this is called three phase transformer. This is my primary side. சார் நீங்க சொன்னீங்க பிரைமரி செல்ல சார் 3 வைண்டிங் வச்சிருக்கீங்க. I told that 3-phase transformer. 3-phase transformer is nothing but 3 individual transformer, right? So 3 individual single phase transformer grouped together. இது ஒரு single phase, இது ஒரு single phase, இது ஒரு single phase. ஒவ்வொரு லெக்லயும் one more phase இருக்கு. The same way, my secondary side, so this is my secondary side, I'm just going to place it here. So I'm having a one more winding, 3-phase. This is what my secondary side. So 3 individual transformer are grouped together to act as a 3-phase transformer. That's all, right? So now one more coil. So in the manner place right? So now one phase, second phase, third phase. This is primary cell, secondary cell, fourth, 5, 6. And electrically we are speaking R, Y, B. R phase, Y phase, B phase. ஒவ்வொரு ஃபேஸ்லயும் 230 voltage, 230 voltage, 230, 230, 230. Roots mean square value 440 voltage. So மூணோட ஆவரேஜும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 440 voltage, right? So in the same way, secondary side. So this is what my single phase core type transformer. This is called 3-phase core type transformer. That's all. The same way, single phase cell type transformer, I am just going to draw 3-phase cell type transformer, right? So how it will be look like this. Cell type, right? So நாங்க இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஹரிசாண்டலா போனோம், right? So horizontally we are just winding. இங்க vertically wind வரும். Well, nothing difficult in this, right? So I'm just going to draw vertically. So R phase and Y phase, right? So Y phase I'm just coming outside, and Z phase, that's called RYB, right? So this is called my RYB. So அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இதே மாதிரி one more setup, I'm just going to place it nearby that coil. That's why it's called my secondary case. This entire side is now primary, right? So 1 R Y B. So மூணு winding, மூணு transformer ஒன்னொன்னா பார்த்தோம், right? So now we'll have individual 3-phase. So this is called my primary side. So அப்ப இன்னொரு coil என்ன பண்ணலாம், இதே legல I'm just having a space, right? So we can have one more phase இங்க கொஞ்சம் இழுத்துட்டு, so இதில் என்ன பண்ணலாம், இன்னொரு வைண்டிங் ட்ரா பண்ணிட்டு அவுட்புட் எடுக்கலாம். So right, this is called my secondary output. This is called shell type 3-phase transformer, right? So we'll have also here also, we are just going to place this coil into nearby this one. So working principle and operations is everything is same, nothing difficult in this. The same electromagnetic induction principle is now mutual induction principle. Two coils are placed in nearby domain, right? So nearby place, and as well as a core, right? So magnetic core is called, entire thing is now core. எல்லாமே magnetic steel plate, that's called steel core, right? So mechanically strong, as well as it will give you stability, as well as mechanical strength, as well as magnetic property it will give whenever the current is now getting flowed, right? So it's like electromagnetic, right? I'm just going to play rough it 1 second, and you just have a photo. We'll have a transformers connections, right? So in this animation he told that, right? Right, so we'll discuss. Anyone, Jay Krishna, or anyone just have photo. So 3-phase transformer you confuse ikonda, right? So it's very easy. So we are just going to place 3 individual single phase transformer into the place, right? So we are just going to place 3 individual single phase placed in a magnetic core, right? So the 3 individual single phase transformer will become now 3-phase transformer, right? So how we are just going to wound a conductor on a steel core, based upon we'll have 2 types, one is core type, one is cell type. That's just now we have discussed core type and cell type, and we have now we are just going to moving into connections, right? So we have single phase, nothing difficult, right? So there is only one coil is now placed in between that cores, right? While coming to 3-phase, right? So in single phase is nothing difficult, so we'll have only a primary winding, secondary winding, right? So in 3-phase we'll have a 3 individual windings, right? It's difficult, right? So how we are just going to give a winding. So as well as step up eppadi pandrathu, step down eppadi pandrathu, right? So we'll have a different question. I am just going to now winding a transformer, right? So here after I am not going to draw any like that primary coil, cell type, core type, and the draw panna podilla. How we are in an electrical motor, how we are just that's called a north pole, south pole, right? So this is called my rotating part. So in the mari irundha, how we are just drawn in a equivalent electrical circuit diagram. எப்படி draw பண்ணும்? This is what my stator coil, this is what my rotating part, right? So how we are just transformed into this, right? So we are just giving a power supply like this, right? So plus minus. So we are just converted this diagram into this equivalent electrical diagram, right? Circuit diagram for analyzing purpose, right? So this is called engineering electrical circuit diagram. So to analyze, right? So this is what my operating diagram. So working principle. The same way in transformer, how we are just going to convert it into like working diagram into my engineering diagram, right? Engineering circuit diagram. So this is what my working diagram. So இப்படி இருந்துச்சு. So now we are just going to convert it into equivalent circuit diagram. So இப்படி படிச்சிருப்போம். So for understanding purpose, working principle we have studied, right? So hereafter we are just going to speaking like this much. Hereafter we are just going to studying like this. Hereafter I am just going to draw like this. Wherever I am just going to draw like this symbol, you could understood this is transformer, right? So this is what my primary winding. This is called my primary winding. In our book or maybe textbook or in any internet resources, you could see this symbol only. This is a symbol of transformer, right? So symbol of electric diagram, right? So நடுவுல ஒரு ரெண்டு parallel line draw பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. This is what my core. So நம்ம பார்த்தோம்ல magnetic core, that's called green color இருக்குல்ல. This green color is now converted into like this parallel symbol, right? This is what my core and this is what my input power supply. I'm just going to give a power supply over here and I'm just getting connecting load here, my secondary side loads, right? So this is called a transformers notation, right? How this is a way of we are just going to represent this diagram, right? So transformer representation. Hereafter I'm just going to only recall this type of circuit. So next one more time, make a quick snap. Now this is a single phase transformer, right? So we'll just going to continue, right? So anyone just make a quick snap.
Yes, sir.
Right. So hereafter I'm not going to recall that concept cell type transformer. I'm not recall panna podilla. We are just going to recall this type of symbol, right? So for example, you need to give the answer, right? So you people need to give a couple of answers for me, right? So what is this type of transformer ninga solano, right? So I'm just going to draw some different three types of diagrams. So you need to give it what is the type of transformer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this type 1. So you people need to give a couple of answers. So I'm just drawn three different types of transformer, right? So both three diagrams are called a single phase transformer, right? So you need to give what is the types of transformer we are just drawn here, right? So anyone just give me. So I'm just going to give a power supply over here, input power supply. Input power supply. Right, so one single phase AC source, single phase AC power supply, single phase AC power supply. So 1, 2, 3. So name it, please. Name pannunga. What is this? Name it.
First one, ideal transformer.
Yes, thank you. First one is now ideal transformer. Okay. Second one.
Step up.
Yes, thank you, Jai Krishna. This is called step up. Step up transformer. Last one.
Step down.
Step down. So very easy, right? So while seeing this picture itself, we could able to understood that meaning, right? So how Jai Krishna told that answers, right? So it's very easy. I already told that. So based upon number of tones, you could able to understood the answer, right? So already we have discussed examples as well as, right? So case study examples பார்த்திருக்கோம், right? So based upon number of tones, you could able to identify which type of transformer we are just using. So here இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா first example n1 n2 are same, n1 are equal number of turns. இது 5 turns na இது 5 turns, இது 5 turns na இது 5 turns, இது 10 turns na இது 10 turns. For example, I'm just giving 230 voltage my primary side. Definitely 230 voltage is now going to be induced in my secondary coil. right? So in my second step paranga, I'm just having N1 is now 4, N2 is now 8. If I'm just going to give a voltage, right, around 100 voltage I'm just giving in my primary side, definitely it will be multiplied by 2. So definitely my secondary side E2 will be 200 voltage, it will be coming. So it will be stepped up. So number of ratio pathina 4, now it's 2. So multiplied by 2. And then this is called my, if I'm just giving 100 voltage here, definitely my secondary side is now, for example, this is 4, this is 2, right? So for example, this is 8, I'm just giving 8 times 1, 2, 3, 8. So I'm just giving 4. Definitely 100 left, half of things will be now 50 voltage, it will be coming. So this is one more small example I'm just going to show you. So I'm just going to draw rough it 1 second. So Jaikrishna, 1 second, make a quick snap. So these are the types of transformer, right? So step up, step down, and ideal transformer. How we are just going to this one? So we are based upon number of turns, right? Make it fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And now we're coming to three-phase transformer, right? So three-phase step up, step down, everything is now ideal transformer will be there. How we are just going to give a connection, sir? Input power supply, right? So we'll have a small, only one diagram. So I couldn't able to wind up today. That's called auto transformer. So it's still bending. Maybe next class we'll discuss auto transformer. So I thought that today itself we are just going to finish our transformer concept, but it's a huge thing, right? So that's why I'm just going to have by tomorrow class. No, nothing wrong in it, nothing very difficult, right? So if it is a three-phase transformer, right? So I'm just going to place 3 individual transformer, right? So it's a three-phase transformer. It's very easy. So to build a three-phase transformer is very easy. So if you're just strong in my individual transformer, so this is called my primary side, right? So this is called my primary side. 3 individual transformer I'm just going to place, right, like this. This is what my primary transformer, primary winding. I'm just going to have a secondary side, right? I'm just going to draw secondary side. So this is called three-phase transformer, right? So it's not difficult, right? It's 3 individual transformer, mono transformer சேர்த்து வைக்கிறேன், right? So this way it's called three-phase transformer, right? So இது எப்படி சார் connections கொடுக்கிறது? நீங்க individual 230 volt, 230 volt, 230 volt, and 230 to 3 எடுக்கலாம். It's not difficult. So in theoretically speaking, there is a 2 types of connection topology will be there, right? So in 2 types of topology will be there. One is star connection, one is delta connection, right? So there is a 2 types of connection will be there. Star is like a star, right? So we are just going to draw a star. I'm not able to try it, right? So star எப்படி draw பண்ணுவீங்க? So go with that, right? So this is like a star, right? So this is called star connection. So we are just going to draw star connection, right? And delta is nothing but this my delta, right? So these are the delta connection. So how we are just going to draw star connection in a winding? It's very easy. So one winding, one more winding. This is called star, R, Y, B. So moon winding oda secondary end ella enna panna porom? We are just going to join a common point, right? So input, input, and input. So 1, 2, 3. So எல்லா winding ஓட secondary end மட்டும் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், நான் காமனா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். That is called my star winding ஓட star connection ஓட example, right? So delta in the sense it's very easy. One more thing. So we are just going to draw, right? It's like a triangle symbol, right? So we are just getting output. There is no common point, right? So R, Y, B. This is called my star connection, R, Y, B. It is not by delta connection, right? There is no common point in delta connection, but there is a common point in my star connection. This is called a neutral point, right? So phase neutral, we already know. So DC la pathina plus minus, inga pathina phase neutral, right? So phase neutral, that's called ella phase you short பண்ணிட்டு நியூட்ரல் மட்டும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி எடுத்துருவாங்க, காமன் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துருவாங்க. That's called star connection. And delta there is no neutral point, right? So neutral point will be coming along this externally தனியா வரும், right? So that's called my star connection. So by doing this type of topology, you could able to have a voltage boost, current you could able to change, right? So here in this circuit I'm just going to show you, right, so how we are just going to draw star connection as a delta connection, right? So there is a 4 we are having only star delta connection. So the combination will be I'm just going to somewhere draw. So star to star connection will be applicable. So you can have a star connection in my primary side. The same way you could have a star connection in my secondary case. That is called star to star connection and star to delta connection. So one more type of transformer connection. Here left side on the primary side you have a star connection. Delta connection will be in my secondary side. So one more case, delta to star connection. If one more case, we could have different types of configuration, right? So we could have a delta connection in primary. Secondary side you could have a star connection. So last one, delta to delta connection. So these are the four different kinds of winding connections available in a three-phase transformer. So anyway, it's very easy. எப்படி சார் கனெக்ட் பண்ண நான் காமிக்கிற பாருங்க, நான் ஒன்று தான் காமிக்க போறேன். So I'm just going to give you star to star connection as well as star to delta connection. So if you are able to understand these two concepts, definitely it will be vice versa. It will be very easy, right? I'm just going to give you how I'm just going to connect a star connection. Star connection நமக்கு தான் தெரியும். So R phase, this is called my R phase. This is called my R phase. This is called my Y phase. This is called my B phase. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா வைண்டிங்கோட செகண்டரி டர்ன் இஸ் நவ் காமனாக எடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஆர் ஃபேஸோட இந்த பாயிண்ட், Y பேஸோட இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட், அண்ட் B ஃபேஸோட ஒன் மோர் பாயிண்ட். இது மூணு என்ன பண்றாங்க, ஷார்ட் பண்ணிடுறாங்க. ரிமைனிங் பேஸ்க்கு பவர் சப்ளை போகுது, ரைட்? ஸோ திஸ் ஹிண்ட் ஆக்சுவலி, ரைட்? ஸோ ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு கிவ் யூ என்ன பண்ண போறாங்கன்னு பாருங்க. ஸோ நல்லா வாட்ச் பண்ணி தெரியும், ஆர் ஃபேஸ், Y ஃபேஸ், B ஃபேஸ் இது மூணு என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க, ஷார்ட் பண்ண போறாங்க. தட்ஸ் கால்ட் ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு ஜாயின் திஸ் நியூட்ரல் பாயிண்ட். This is called my R phase oda or end, in the end R phase oda or end. I am just going to bring it outside, and Y phase oda secondary winding, that's called start பண்ணிட்டு, and then B phase oda neutral I am just going to wind, that's called my short பண்ற neutral 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 of three individual phase. This is what my star connection. It's very easy, அவ்வளவுதான். So remaining three இருக்கு இல்லையா, remaining three, that's called I am just going to draw in a blue color or maybe black color, right? So இங்க இருக்கு இல்லையா, that's called my input, three phase single phase input. So R நான் பாருங்க ஜம்ப் பண்ணி தான் போடுறேன், then secondary winding and then jump பண்ணி மூணு input. So we are having three individual transformer, right? So three single phase, right? So three, this is called star connection in my primary side. How we could able to connect delta connection in my secondary side, right? See மார்ச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தெரியும், for this is my R, this is my Y, and this is my B. So நல்லா வாட்ச் பண்ணி பாருங்க. So R start ஆகுது and then it's going and continue to Y phase, and then continue Y phase, Y base P phase கூட join ஆகுது, B phase is now continuing and R phase கூட join ஆகுது. It's like a cycle, right? Circle, right? So I'm just going to start in a red color. It will be very easy to understood, right? So this is what my R phase, this is my Y phase, and this is phase. நல்லா வாட்ச் பண்ணா தெரியும், ஆர்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, தட்ஸ் கால்ட் மை ஆர் ஃபேஸ், ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது வைண்டிங், அண்ட் தென் எங்க வந்து Y கூட இன்புட் டெர்மினல்ல கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு கனெக்ட் இன்புட் டெர்மினல். ஸோ ஆர்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, ஆருக்கு அப்புறம் Y போகுது, ஆருக்கு அப்புறம் Y போயிடுச்சு, Yல இருந்து Bக்கு போகுது, ரைட்? Y வைண்டிங் முடிஞ்சிச்சு, Bக்கு வருது, அடுத்தது Y வைண்டிங் முடிஞ்சிச்சு, தென் Bக்கு வருது, ரைட்? அண்ட் தென் Bக்கு முடிஞ்ச பிறகு எங்க போகுது, மறுபடியும் ஆர்க்கே போகுது. ஸோ ஆர் எங்க இருக்கு, டாப்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு வைண்டிங் like this, right? It's very easy. So அப்ப காமன் பாயிண்ட் எங்க இருக்கு, so R ல ஒரு காமன் பாயிண்ட், and then Y ல ஒரு காமன் பாயிண்ட், and then B ல ஒரு காமன் பாயிண்ட். This is called my output terminal, secondary output terminal, Y and B. So this is what my star connection in my primary side, this is what my delta connection in my secondary side. So this is one type of a three-phase transformer connection that is called star delta connection, right? So எங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்புட் வோல்டேஜ் 230 இருந்துச்சுன்னா அவுட்புட்ல எங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 440 இருக்கும், ரைட்? ஸோ வில் ஹாவ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன். அதே மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணலாம், வி கேன் ஹாவ் அ டெல்டா கனெக்ஷன் இன் மை பிரைமரி சைட், ஸ்டார் கனெக்ஷன் இன் மை டெல்டா சைட், தட்ஸ் கால்ட் மை செகண்டரி சைட். வில் ஹாவ் போத் கனெக்ஷன்ஸ். ஐ திங்க் ஐ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட், ரைட்? ஸோ ஐ திங்க் any doubt in this? Any doubt in this up to this? How we are just going to give a connections, right? So we are just going to give a connections, three-phase transformers, right? புரியுதுங்களா? இதே மாதிரி டெல்டா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், பிரைமரி மாத்திரம் என்ன பண்ணணும், ரைட்? ஸோ ஐ எம் நாட் கோயிங் டு டீச் யூ, ரைட்? இட்ஸ் வெரி ஈஸி. ஸோ ஸ்டார்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், எவ்ரி வைண்டிங்கோட செகண்டரி டெர்மினல் எடுத்துட்டு நான் காமனா ஷார்ட் பண்ண போறேன். தட்ஸ் கால்ட் மை லைக் திஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ ஆர் ஒய் பி ஓட காமன் பாயிண்ட், ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் கோயிங் டு ஸ்டார்ட் இட், ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் பிரிங் இட் as a neutral point, and then இண்டிவிஜுவல்ல பவர் சப்ளை கொடுக்க போறேன், தட்ஸ் கால்ட் மை ஸ்டார் கனெக்ஷன். அண்ட் மை டெல்டா என்ன பண்ண போறேன், ஸோ ஆர் வைண்டிங் இஸ் நவ் கோயிங் டு கண்டினியூ வித் ஒய் பேஸ் அண்ட் ஒய் ஃபேஸ் இஸ் நவ் கண்டினியூ வித் பி ஃபேஸ், பி ஃபேஸ் இஸ் அகைன் கண்டினியூ வித் மை இசட் ஃபேஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ எவ்ரி காமன் டெர்மினல், ரைட்? ரெண்டு வைண்டிங் ஜாயின் பண்ணது இல்லையா, இது ஒரு இடம். அண்ட் இந்த ரெண்டு வைண்டிங் காமனாக ஜாயின் பண்ண இடம் இந்த இடம். அண்ட் இந்த ரெண்டு வைண்டிங் காமனாக ஜாயின் இந்த இடம். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ண போறேன், இன்புட் பவர் சப்ளை எடுத்துக்கிறோம். தட்ஸ் கால்டு மை டெல்டா கனெக்ஷன், right? So this is why one of example of why it's called a star delta connection. So you could have a physical viewing and the class la முடிஞ்ச பிறகு 4 o'clock மேல just go and visit a nearby transformer in our nearby home or street. Just see there is a name plate will be available in our transformer. Just see primary winding and secondary winding, definitely it will be there. So already we have discussed, right? Without it the power it could not be traveled as well transfer, right? So you could see the nameplate, they will have that answer, right? So primary side என்ன connection, secondary side என்ன connection அவங்க கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. You could see and you could have, யாராவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து கூட நம்ம EMC குரூப்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க, ரைட்? ஸோ நத்திங் ராங் இன் இட், ரைட்? ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி வில் ஹேவ் அ டைம். ஸோ ஈவினிங்கோ இல்லை 2 o'clock மேலே, சாரி 12 to 2 ஃப்ரீ தான் இருக்கீங்க, போய் பாருங்க நியர்பை டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர்ல. ஜஸ்ட் ஹேவ் அ ஸ்னாப்ஷாட் அண்ட் if you have a time, so just upload in our Google Classroom, sorry, not a Google Classroom, EMCS group. Definitely will have that meaning, right? Star delta connection இருக்கும், right? So this is why the windings are now connected in our 3-phase transformer. So time இல்லாதனால auto transformer next classல பார்த்துக்கலாம். I think you have understood many things, right? So how the 3-phase transformer is built it up from the concept of single phase transformer, right? So the same EM equation இங்கே அக்கறாகும், no issues, right? So winding connections மட்டும் different இருக்கும், star delta, delta star, delta y, delta delta, right? So these are simple connections, right? I think I'm just going to wind up here because you have a second class இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு. Any doubt in this? Yes, யாரோ சொல்ல வந்தீங்க, ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா?
No sir, no sir.
Okay, okay. So we will meet by next class, right? Thank you all, thank you for listening.